The extra income has been strategically invested and spent, and not only on the usual things. This is the Royal Bafokeng Stadium, where 6 matches of the World Cup will be played.
The Bafokeng have invested heavily in sport as a developmental tool. There is ownership of a premier soccer team, Platinum Stars, and a rugby Currie Cup team, the Platinum Leopards.
George Kuno is responsible for sport development.
Re bone gore tota e bile metshameko e na le seabe se sentsi se re ithutileng ka sone ge sentse re ko bonyaneng gore ne e kopanya yang batho.
Royal Bafokeng Sports has ownership of 2 professional teams. Most people think that this is money that could have been spent somewhere else.
Maybe they have a point in a short term, but in a long term, it's not a bad thing to do, to invest in football. Platinum Stars is a springboard for the future professional footballers. A player that you sell overseas will probably worth 40 to 50 million. From that player, the spill-off to the community, bringing up the community, developing the community, the pride of the community, first of all, the families of that player, the other young boys and girls who are looking up to that player as an idol, and so on and so on.
This is the new world-class sports complex where these teams will be based. It is one of the best training centers in the world and will bring in foreign athletes. It is being used by England for their 2010 preparations.
This sports complex that's just risen out of the ground.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
There's no doubt that we'll achieve what we wanted to do in terms of as an academy, and secondly as a base for the clubs, international clubs that will be coming here for their off-season. It's all within the vision where we want to go as a community, as Bafokeng.
And even at village level, sports facilities are a priority, as sport is encouraged for the values and health it gives to the people.
Well, we've come to the end of my journey through our kingdom of the Bafokeng, and I hope you've learned as much about the Bafokeng as I have in the process. Our luck and determination has secured us the land and the mineral wealth beneath it. But true value does not lie in the mines, but in the people and the vision they have of the future. With pessimism abound in Africa, we the Bafokeng believe that we have the far-sightedness and the visionary leadership to create models which other communities can copy. We have a vision that things can get better. We have a goal to play the Bafokeng way. And this, you now know, is how this world-class stadium, built by a rural community in South Africa, came to be here.